All right, we normally set eggs on Sundays, and right now we're setting 100 bob white quail eggs, as well as some Coturnix and some Celadon, which are blue egg layers. And in order to do this, we have to have a commercial quail breeder's license from the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources. It only costs like $5. It's a calendar year July 1st to June 30th. And according to their website, it's required for any species of quail, not just native bob whites. So we're going to put these in the incubator, and looks like September 1st they should be hatching.